body parts किया. So now we are going to do 5 senses. Ranadeep. ये भी body parts ही है. But body parts को हम कैसे use करते हैं? Okay. All of you have 5 senses. ठीक है? मेरे को, आप लोगों को, अम्मा को, सबको हमको 5 senses होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? 5 senses. हम eye से देख सकते हैं. We can see with our eyes. Yes. Ears से सुन सकते हैं. Yes. ठीक है? Ears are to hear. Okay. Nose is to smell. हम कोई good smell, bad smell कर सकते हैं? Okay. Yes, कर सकते हैं. Yes, Shivai? Keep your t-shirt down. Okay. Hand से क्या कर सकते हैं? हम touch कर सकते हैं. Yes. Hand से हम लोग हर चीज को touch कर सकते हैं. Yes. Okay. और क्या रहा? Eyes हो गया, nose हो गया, फिर क्या हुआ? Tongue से taste कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So now we have some friend. The sand. Ranadeep, you eat the sand? No. So what we do? We touch. Where it will come? You play with the sand? Yes. This will come here because you touch the sand and play with it and make a beautiful castle. Okay? Yes. Put it here. Put it here. Very good. So this is a sand. We play and with the sand and make the different castles. Okay? Clear? Everyone? Okay. Adya? Come on. Take this. See what is it? See the picture first. You play the sound. Play the guitar. Okay. You hear the sound of the guitar. Yes. Where you will place them? Very good. You hear because you hear the sound of the guitar. Place it. It's okay. Yeah. Take one more. This is a potty. This is a bad smell. Where you will keep it? Keep it. Yes, very good. You smell it. It is a bad smell. Shivai, let her do. See, give the mat. Give the mat. Yes. Okay. Very good. Come on. Next. Vaishnavi.
Shivai.
Shivai. Watermelon. So, what we do with watermelon? You taste. Yes. Very good, Vaishnavi. You taste it. It is yummy and cool. Yes, Vaishnavi. It's okay, you can have other fruits. What we do with this? Telescope. This is telescope. Yes, we see with the telescope. Wait, because yes, very good, very good. Shivai, come on. Shivai, okay, keep it here. Others are trying it now. Come on. Shivai, where it will come? Don't peel it. Come on. So you touch the pencil. Yes, with the hand. Okay. Yes, and you write with it. So what senses you are using? Hands to touch the pencil. Can you take this and tell me where it will come? Very good. So you touch the pillow. How it is? It is hard or soft?
It's soft.
Soft. Very good. Okay. So you use your hands to take the pillow and sleep. Okay. Yes. Now behind you. Take this. Where the blocks will come? Wait, Ranadeep. Where the blocks will come? Very good, Dehanvi. You touch, yes. You take the blocks and build the blocks. Yes. Now this mirror. What do you do with mirror? Ranadeep, wait. What do you do with mirror?
Shh. Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Shivai.
Mirror.
Shivai, no,
Where
beta.
mirror will come? Tell me, where is the mirror? Yes. Very good, Dehanvi. You see yourself in the mirror. When you get ready, you wear beautiful dress. Yes, Vihanvi, you look yourself in the mirror. So eyes, you see through eyes. Okay, very good. मतलब हमें सबको पता चल गया concept क्या है, right? Okay, now.
Rana, no, don't touch.
See, wait, don't see. This one. This is the bad dustbin. See, what will happen? Where it will come? It is smelling badly. Yes, it is a bad smell. Okay.
Okay. होते इसकी रोना चालू हो गया दोस्तों.
The birds are chirping. Where you will? What you will? Where it will go? Birds are chirping. See the sound. Sound is coming. Birds do. Okay. Ayan, wait. Did I ask you?
Yes.
Very good.
कल
The boy is reading.
कल श्रेयांशी का शुरू हुआ था ये टाइम पे आज.
Boy is reading the book. Where it will come, Ayan? Tell me fast. Ayan, tell me. Boy is reading the book. What is he using? Which senses are the boy is using? Read through This is the example which I told you. Socks, dirty socks. Where it will go?
ఏ అంత ఏం వస్తున్నాయి జ్యోతి
Yes. Smell it.
ఏం వస్తున్నాయి కొంచెం
Why here's all the dirty?
Huh?
Why here's all
Because you roam here and there, right? You go to play, you go to garden, the socks gets dirty. Yes? Come on, take one more. Ranadeep, bell is ringing. Where it will go? Come on, the bell is ringing. Where it will go? Hey, no. Come on, Ranadeep. Ding ding. Very good. You hear the sound of the bell? Ding ding ding. Yes? Yes. Very good. See, this is the perfume. You spray over here on the body. It is a good smell or a bad smell? No, no. Smell, smell. Ranadeep, listen to me.
ఏ నోషు
Ranadeep, listen. See, you spray the body. Okay.
Hey.
Perfume. You smell it. What do you use?
నోష్
Nose. Very good. Where it will come then? Yes. Where it will come? Shivan, please. Very good. Yes. Very good. Nice. Now, wait. See, Adya, telephone is ringing. The sound is coming. Tring, 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 tring. Yes. Where you will keep? Very good. Then one more. See, the boy is smelling something. What is the boy doing? Boy is smelling something.
అక్కడ
Where it
నోషు
will come? Smelling. Taking the nose and smelling. Yes. Keep it over there. Very good. Okay. One last. Shivai. Okay. Vaishnavi. What is left? Arey, this is wrong. See, the tring tring. It is eyes or here. Sound. This is wrong. Where you will place? Adya, this or this? Tell me. Yes. Then place it. Why did you put it wrong? You're telling me the answer right, but placing it wrong. Yes. Okay. Vaishnavi, you see something very closely. This is magnifying lens. Yes. Very good. So you use eyes to see something. Okay. Everybody got the activity? Yes. Yes. Done. Clear with the concept? Okay. Okay. I'll tell you. Wait, Mithun. Let me explain.
నో
See, the food.
Don't touch.
Adya, food is to taste. Okay. So you use tongue. Okay. Things are to see. Okay. You see light on. Okay. Can you see in the dark room? No. When you put on the light and then you see everything. You see yourself in the mirror. You read the book through your eyes. Yes. You see the close magnifying lens. Yes. You see the moons and the stars through telescope. Yes. So you use eyes. Okay. Now touch. You use the hands to touch. Use the blocks. Build the blocks. You touch teddy bear. Yes. It is soft. Pillow is soft. Right. Pencil. You take pencil and write it. Because you use hands. Yes. Touch it. You use sand to play make the castle. Yes. Now you hear the sound when the ambulance is coming or the police. Can you hear the siren? Yes. The birds are singing, chirping nicely. Yes. So you hear the sound. The bell is ringing. Ting ting. Okay. You hear the sound. The phone is ringing. Tring tring. Shivai. The guitar is you are playing the guitar. Pleasant sound is coming. So you are hearing with your ears. Okay. And last, you smell with your nose. Okay. Sound. See what is this? Body. Bad smell. See. Dustbin. Okay. Bad smell. You throw waste over there, right? Dirty socks. Bad smell. Yuck. Beautiful rose. It smells so beautiful, right? Yes. Smells so nice. And the perfume. When you spray it, okay, you get the fragrance. So you use nose. Okay. Okay. Now repeat with me. I use. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. Smell with my nose. I hear with my ears. I taste with my tongue. I touch with my hands or skin. Okay? Clear? Very good. Very good. All of you are done. Very nice.